Hello guys, my name is Enrique Larcon and I'm here in Dance Collective Westport. I'm here with Valeria, who is going to help me today. And I'm going to teach you how to do a grapevine when you are dancing. So when you grapevine, you use grapevines in dance for samba, for any Latin rhythm. You use it for contemporary, you use it for ballroom standard like tango. Well, so just make sure for each grapevine, you are going to cross 3 times your feet. Watch. If I start with my right, we are going to mirror you, and you are going to cross to the front, and then you open, and then you cross to the back. That's one grapevine, okay? Depending on the style, you are going to do it with the rhythm of that the style demands. So watch. If I do samba, for example, I will go 1, 2. I could do a reverse too. I could start going back and forward. So I will go 1, 2. If I do cha-cha-cha, very similar. With cha-cha-cha, I will do cha-cha-cha. I will go cha-cha-cha. Okay? So if I do it to the back, it will go cha-cha-cha. If I do tango, it will go, let's count in ages to make it easier. So we're going to go, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I could reverse with my other leg, and I go 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, each grapevine is 3 steps. Thank you guys. See you later.